Hello everyone! Today we're going to unbox and review the 70 MAI Smart Dash Cam. I'll guide you through everything from unboxing to installation. So let's get started. First, let's see what's inside the box. We have the dash cam, a power cable, a camera holder, and a power plug for the car with a USB port. All essential items for setup. Now I'll insert the memory chip. This is where all our recordings will be stored. Always make sure to use a compatible and high-quality chip for the best results. Now let's test the dash cam's power. I'm using a portable power battery to see how it starts up. It's crucial to check the device before installing it in the car.
Please connect your app to activate the dash cam.
Time reset. Connect your cell phone. It will adjust time automatically.
Time to download the 70 MAI app on my iPhone. This app is necessary for controlling the dash cam and viewing the footage. It's available in the app store. After downloading, I need to create an account. This is a straightforward process. Just follow the app's instructions. Now, I'll try to connect my dash cam to the app. It should be a seamless process if both the phone and the dash cam are ready. Great! The dash cam is now connected to the app. This lets me control it remotely and access its features more easily. The final step is mounting the dash cam in my car. I'll place it near the rearview mirror for the best field of view. It's important to ensure it's secure and the lens has a clear view. Now that everything is set up, let's test it out. I'll drive around and show you how it records and how the app works in real time. You'll see the video quality, how it handles different lighting conditions, and explore its features. And that's it for the 70 MAI Smart Dash Cam review. I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and share the Everything channel.